Teardown Step 3, VBO Teardown. Facing the front of the booth, the Verifiable Ballot option, or VBO, is located directly left of the booth screen. We will begin teardown of the VBO by packing up the privacy screen. With your thumb on the outside of the screen, press in and down so that the loop releases from the post. Do this for both sides and then twist and fold the screen up toward the lid as shown. Secure the screen using the white clip. Now locate and break the red seal above the VBO and set it aside. Note, your election office may require you to save the seal and document its seal number. Next, find the black knob at the top of the VBO and press it. When the knob releases, twist it 1/4 turn and pull it toward you until the VBO releases from the booth. Lift the VBO and turn it over to access the small black connection cables on the back of the VBO near its bottom edge. You will have to slide the cables out from under their clips before you can detach them from the VBO entirely. Set the cables inside the VBO compartment. Repeat this process with each of the booths in your polling place. Notice that when the VBO is detached, the booth screen tells you the printer is unavailable and to contact a poll worker. You can ignore this message since the polls have been closed. After disconnecting all of the VBOs, place them on a table and locate the blue duffel bag. Remove all contents from the blue bag and find the sheets of red bubble wrap. Each sheet of bubble wrap opens to form a pocket. Slide each VBO into a pocket and place it in the blue bag until all VBOs are secure inside the bag.